How are you, my friends? This is another question of the series Algebra Challenging Questions, where we have two functions given, f of x, the square root of 7 minus absolute value of x minus 1, and the function g of x, cube root of 2x plus 2. And we need to find the domain of f over g. Now, as you know, we have to find the domain of f separate. Then we find the domain of G also separate. Then we find the intersection between them. And we have to remember that we have to remove all the zeros of the G from this domain because nothing can be zero in the denominator. So this is the given here, and we need the domain of f over g. So we say the domain of f over g equals domain of f intersection domain of g minus the zeros of g. Let's find first the zeros of the function g. What will make the function g equal to 0? So we write g of x cannot be 0. Cube root of 2x plus 2 cannot be 0. Take 2 on the other side will be minus 2. When you cube both sides here, you get 2x cannot be minus 8. Divide by 2, so x cannot be minus 4. So minus 4 will make the g 0, and we cannot accept any 0 in the denominator. So this number here, minus 4, will be outside the domain. Now let's find the domain of f on the next slide, please. Domain of f will be, since we have a square root of something here, radicand, we take all the radicand, 7 minus absolute value of x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, then 7 greater than absolute value, or absolute value less than or equal to 7, if you rearrange it. So this is case number 2 from the algebra lecture 26. You can go and check, please. This becomes x minus 1 between minus 7 and 7. When you add 1 here, you get minus 6 and 8 closed. This is the domain of the f. Now we know the g is cube root function. Domain is R. We can accept any number there, but only minus the minus 4. See, minus 4 we have found in the previous slide, because minus 4 will make the denominator 0. So this is domain of f between minus 6 and 8 closed, and this is all real numbers except minus 4. See, when you have all real numbers except minus 4, minus infinity to minus 4 union minus 4 to infinity. We can draw it like this: minus infinity to minus 4 open, and then still open minus 4 until infinity. So let's draw here minus 6 to 8 closed, and then all real numbers except minus 4. Let's look at the intersection. So minus 6, minus 4, minus 4 to 8. So we say closed minus 6 to minus 4 open, union minus 4 open to 8 closed. That will be the domain of f over g. Now, for more questions on combinations of functions, please, you can visit the old exams questions, combining functions, or the algebra course lecture 33. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I wish I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you very much.